Facebook Messenger photo loading issues affect a significant portion of users, with approximately 15 to 20% experiencing problems each month. Understanding the root causes can help identify why this common issue occurs. Research shows that photo loading problems stem from four main categories. Network connectivity issues are the leading cause, accounting for 40% of all cases. App-related problems make up 35%, while device-specific issues represent 15%, and server-side problems account for the remaining 10%. Network connectivity problems are the most common cause of photo loading failures. These include weak Wi-Fi or cellular signals that can't maintain stable connections, network congestion during peak usage hours, and internet service provider throttling that specifically targets social media content to manage bandwidth. App-related issues represent the second largest category of problems. Running outdated versions of Messenger can cause compatibility issues with newer image formats. Corrupted cache files and temporary data can interfere with proper photo loading, while insufficient storage space prevents the app from downloading and displaying images correctly. Device-specific problems affect users with older hardware or restrictive system settings. Operating system compatibility issues can prevent proper image rendering, while hardware limitations on older devices may lack sufficient processing power or memory. Additionally, background app restrictions can prevent Messenger from downloading photos when not actively in use. Server-side issues, while less common, can affect large numbers of users simultaneously. Meta server outages during maintenance periods can temporarily disable photo loading. Regional content delivery network problems may impact specific geographic areas, and database synchronization delays can cause photos to appear unavailable even when they exist on the servers. Several significant changes in 2025 have impacted photo loading behavior. Meta implemented enhanced image compression algorithms in the second quarter, which initially caused compatibility issues with older devices. New privacy settings introduced early in the year have affected photo sharing permissions. While cross-platform synchronization improvements have reduced loading inconsistencies, they have not completely eliminated the problem. Understanding these four main categories of photo loading issues provides the foundation for effective troubleshooting. By identifying whether the problem stems from network connectivity, app-related issues, device limitations, or server problems, users can apply the most appropriate solutions to resolve their specific situation. When Facebook Messenger photos won't load, there are systematic troubleshooting steps you can follow to resolve the issue. We'll start with quick fixes and progress to more advanced solutions. Start with these four quick fixes that resolve most photo loading issues. First, force close Messenger completely and restart it. Then check your internet connection stability. Next, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test different network connections. Finally, clear your recent conversations cache to remove any corrupted temporary data. For mobile devices, there are several specific troubleshooting steps. The most effective is clearing the app cache, which removes temporary files that may be causing loading issues. Always ensure you're running the latest version of Messenger. As of August 2025, version 435.0 or newer is recommended for optimal performance and bug fixes. Resetting network settings can be particularly effective for iOS users experiencing persistent photo loading issues. This clears all network configurations and starts fresh. For desktop and web users, browser-related issues are common culprits. Start by clearing your browser cache and disabling extensions that might interfere with image loading. Disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy extensions, as they can interfere with Messenger's image loading functionality. Ensure your browser is up to date. Chrome 127 or newer, Firefox 117 or newer, and Safari 16.6 or newer are recommended for optimal Messenger performance. For persistent issues, consider advanced solutions. Corporate users may need to whitelist Meta's content delivery network domains if firewall settings are blocking image servers. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps will resolve the vast majority of Facebook Messenger photo loading issues. Start with quick fixes and progress through the solutions until the problem is resolved.